Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Wave Invoicing for tax totals step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for Wave Invoicing. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the Login button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address associated with your Wave account in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you wish to stay logged in on this device, check the box for Remember Me. Click on the Login button to proceed. After logging in, you will be taken to your Wave dashboard. From here, locate the Reports section on the left sidebar. Click on Reports to access various reporting options. Select Tax Reports from the available options. In the Tax Reports section, you will see a summary of your tax totals. Choose the specific date range you want to view. Once you've set the date range, click the Update button. Your tax totals will refresh to reflect the selected period. Review the detailed breakdown of your tax totals displayed on the screen. If needed, you can export this report by clicking the Export button. Choose your preferred file format for exporting. That's how you log into Wave Invoicing and access your tax totals step by step. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.